Welcome back. It's tutorial 4 in the Laminated project series, Making a Cutting Board. And in this tutorial, it's a short but sweet one, but we're going to add the wood look because if this is a cutting board, it's not a very attractive looking cutting board. So how to add the look that we're looking for, haha. So what we're going to do is right click on the top level here, tutorial cutting board. There's lots of ways to do this. Oh, and let me hit escape for a second because I'm lost in something. There we go. Hit escape. And now I'm back. Right click on the top level. Choose appearance. It should open up a dialog for you, a dialog box here, where I'm kind of into it already, but you will see lots of folders. And I've already scrolled down to the one called wood and expanded it. And then in the wood folder, we have various types of wood that we can choose. So I'm going to choose cherry, and I'm just going to drag it over and click. And then I'm going to drag it over and click. Oh, actually not click. I'm letting go of my mouse button. So I'm holding my mouse button down and dragging it over and then letting it go. Okay, that's how that's happening. And then I think I'll choose this here, Bamboo Light Semi-Gloss. Because all I was looking for was the contrast. And I'm just showing, I'm not looking for the actual species of wood, but I'm just showing my concept. And my concept is dark wood on the outsides, light wood on the insides. This might be cherry or walnut. This might be eastern maple or some other similar light colored hardwood. Okay, so that's it. Now, one weird thing here to me anyway, it may not look weird to you, but if this is, let me just close this saying I'm done. If this is the top of my cutting board right there, the grain is going in the wrong direction. Like when we make the wood, the grain of the wood will be running the length, not across the width, or it should be. So what we're going to do is fix that by going back, right clicking, going back into appearance, and we are going to right click on the cherry, and we are going to go to edit, and in here we can make some adjustments. Oh, I'm going to do it again. Right click on the cherry, edit. Apparently when you move, things change or disappear. So I can change the scale in here, so I can make the grain come closer together or further apart. Ooh, like that or like that. I don't know. And then I can also change the rotation. So when you woodwork, it's probably going to look more like that. Say done. And then we can do it also on the bamboo. So we'll go like this, bamboo, edit, we'll rotate that sucker, more like that. So that looks more natural as a cutting board goes to me. So we'll say done. There is a problem though, and I haven't figured it out yet, and I haven't bothered to Google it. But most of the answers are on Google. Fusion's been around a while. There's a big community out there, and there's lots of people posting questions and getting answers. I haven't done that, so look at this. This is the top of my cutting board. The grain is going exactly as I want, and then I flip it over, and it's back to that. Every time I do this, if I change the grain on this side so it's right, this side is wrong. I'm not sure how to deal with that right yet, but I'm not even going to worry about it. The idea is just to be able to convey to somebody what you're thinking. I'm thinking this. The opposite would be I could put light on the outsides and dark on the middle. That would be a different thought. So again, this is a very simple example, and you might want to take it next level, but that's up to you. Maybe you want to make the whole thing out of light colored wood and put two little thin strips of dark colored wood in there. I don't know. This is a design choice. These cutting boards are going to look really nice in the end. You're probably going to want to give them away as gifts. They'll look like they were made by a professional and bought in the store. So keep in mind, this is a chance to make some good design choices and enhance your project. Okay, that's it for now. The next thing we're going to be making is a set of plans, or showing you how to make plans from this cutting board so that you have something to work from in the shop as you build your cutting board. All for now.